In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Stripe publishable key, secret key and webhook signing secret in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and start with the basics. First, head over to Stripe Key. This is your main portal to access all the services Stripe offers, and it's often your starting point for managing payment processing. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This will bring up the login page where you can enter your credentials to gain access to your Stripe account. It's crucial to have your email and password handy, as you'll need them to proceed. Well, I see. Enter your email into the designated field and follow it up with your password. This part is quite straightforward, but remember to make sure your information is entered correctly to avoid any hiccups. Now, after entering your details, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will trigger Stripe's login process, and if applicable, you might be prompted for a 2-step authentication code sent to your device. Enter this code into the field provided to successfully complete your login. This additional step is part of Stripe's commitment to securing your account and data, so make sure to configure your 2-step authentication if you haven't already. With a successful login, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard, the central hub where you manage your transactions and settings. From the home section, your next objective is to locate the developers page. This is where you'll be performing most of the technical configurations required to set up Stripe integrations. Once you've found it, click on Developers. Within the Developers section, look for the API keys option and select it. This is the critical stage where you'll access the API keys necessary for integrating Stripe with your application. API keys are vital for authenticating your application's request to the Stripe server. Now that you're in the API keys section, you'll see the publishable and secret keys, essential components for setting up and managing online payments. Take note of these keys and keep them secure, as they grant access to your Stripe account. You can simply copy these codes by selecting them and using your usual copy command. Remember, it's vital to handle these keys with care. Treat them as sensitive information, because anyone with access can initiate transactions or manipulate your account. And that's it. By following these steps, you have now successfully retrieved your Stripe publishable key, secret key, and are ready to configure your webhook signing secret if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Check out our other videos for more